Well, I discovered a problem. And these tuning coil slugs here, these are magnetic ferrite core slug tuners. This one right here was broken on the end here. So every time the tuner came out, this would fall out. When you turn the tuner back in, it would jam. So I'll turn the light on so you can see. So I've glued it back together with super glue, and it'll hold. I just need to let it set up. And in fact, I probably ought to put it back in its little house, so to speak, so it won't get damaged. There we go. And then after it sets up, it should go in and out just fine. That was probably one problem with this radio, why the self-seeking wasn't working. And I've got the clockwork all back together for the self-seeking. It runs smoothly now. Very little effort to move. And when it gets going too fast, you can feel it, that little governor in there. This flyweight's flinging out and slowing it down. So, one other thing I want to mention is these early Beckers have a the dial light bulb, which is right there. The bulbs that come in these early radios are a 6-volt 0.1 amp bulb, which, if you do the math, that's probably around, I don't know, 2 watts. But the thing is, even in pitch black at night, you turn these radios on, it's all you can do to read the dial scale at night when it's on. So what I like to do is in the separately mounted amplifier for these early radios, there's a resistor, particularly that one right there that my screwdriver is pointing at. It's a 75 ohm resistor. That limits the current going to this light bulb in the dial scale. So I take that out and put in like a 30, I think I put in a 30 ohm, 33 ohm resistor. And it allows the light bulb to light up enough at night to where you can see the dial scale, and even the little green pilot light lights up a little better. And it won't light up so much that it's distracting while you drive at night, but it lights up just enough to where you can see, you can eventually see the number scale on the numbers on the dial scale. So I'm going to do that, and I will also end up, before it's over and done with, one of the last things I'll do is I will repaint the needle that tells you where you are, what station you're on. It's supposed to be orange. It's faded from sun, so a lot of work yet to do, but we're getting there. And I'm going to have to turn this over and lubricate all of this, which is also part of the tuner and self-seeking mechanism. So, oh, my little ferrite magnet fell out again. But anyway, if all goes well, the capacitors that I ordered for the radio should be here in a few days, and we can replace all those, and we'll see how it plays.